welcome back. Look what's happening. My mother is scraping out some fresh coconut. See? This is some fresh coconut and we are gonna use this to make a coconut sambol. Okay friends, as you can see, our coconut is scraped and we are all set to make our coconut sambol. And here are the ingredients.
Okay friends, so let's get started by grinding the onions, garlic, salt, chili powder, some chili flakes, and friends, my next ingredient is special. This is some Maldive fish, also known as fish flakes. However, you guys can also use ikan bilis, also known as hal meso. And if you want, you can also skip this step. However, I'll highly recommend you to do this because it gives a lot of flavor to the sambal. So let's add it in. And let's grind this up now. Okay friends, it's done and this smells really good right now. Okay friends, let me add the coconut into the bowl now.
Okay, let's add in our special paste to the coconut now. Okay friends, now it's time to give this sambal a very good mix. You have to do it like this. You must squeeze it like that. And I'm wearing a glove, but then you can do this without a glove too, but then only if your hands are clean, because you don't want germs to go in this.
Friends, this smells so good right now. So let's squeeze in some lime in here for a lovely taste.
And for it to become sweet. Okay, let's give this another mix now.
Okay friends, our coconut sambal, also known as pol sambal, is ready to serve now. Our yummy pol sambal is ready.
Time to taste this now.
And friends, do you know in Sri Lanka, this is one of the very famous dishes and everyone would love to have this for almost every single meal. And personally, I love to eat this with some warm rice and a nice boiled egg. Time for me to try it now.
Wow, this sambal is so good.
It's so good. This is heavenly food for me. So you guys must definitely try this recipe.
So don't forget to like our video and share with your friends. Until we see you in the next video.
Bye.